Hi, this is Karthik. In this video, we are going to learn how to paint still life using watercolor. Let's get started. To paint still life, we should draw very lightly. For if I do very lightly, the camera can't capture it. So what I'm doing is I'm drawing very dark to show how to make step by step the drawing. First, there is a bowl in the middle. See to that you have a scale or a imaginary line in the middle, so it will be helpful. Mark point here and one point here. Make a owl. You can make a still more a bigger bowl. Then here, from here to here, this is the reference lines which will be there to get you proportionate. The ball is done. Then there is a cloth. This is the folding which is there for the cloth. One folding, one more folding to come till here. This folding go up like this and take a big curve, come towards like this and folds like this. This is one more fold. And for the apple, I will draw in a circular shape here. One more apple which is there inside the ball. The ball is like this. And one more apple which is lying above these two. I'm just doing it darker, very dark, to show you how it can be approached. Yeah, this is the steps to draw. I will fast forward the lighter drawing in another paper and start doing the watercolor. Let's start that. First, we will start with always with the background. I am using brown, burnt sienna and Persian blue. burnt sienna, Persian blue, crimson lake. For each different tones, mix of colors have been used to get this effect for the background. Now we will go for the upper fruits. Apple. Always start with a light and let it be very light when you are doing. Always take a wash first, then do the painting part. So first apple we will go, and I am doing a water wash here. Where the light parts are there, and I am taking very little paint. And I am leaving the whiter parts which should be left over for the highlights. This is crimson color and cadmium yellow. Use very light, more of water and less of paint for getting these kinds of effects. I'm using even scarlet. Once it dries, we can give the darker parts. Don't give darker parts at a time. Let it dry completely, only then you can give the darker parts. Now, again I am giving a water wash first. This is called wet on wet method. You can give depth by darker to lighter, so it feels like this is at the bottom part and this is at the topmost part. Again here I'm giving it the depth part. Okay, now the lighter parts are done. We will go for the darker parts. Here a little bit of reflection is there on the ball that has been done. Now we will go ahead with making the darker parts for it. Thank you for watching this video. See you guys soon. Bye.